With much thanks to search engines, we now have a ridiculous amount of information available to us today. So much so that Google has become synonymous with the internet. What does Google do and what makes it so special to our video today? Google is the #1 ranked most visited site today in the United States and the entire planet. Results from a Google search can help you gather information, understand user behavior, demographic and global search trends, and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this secret Google trick to quickly earn $220. It's difficult to believe random facts like Google get over 89 billion visits every month, or that Google holds up to 91.9% of the search engine markets are as at 2022. What's much easier to believe, however, is that Google can actually help you generate a lot of money. Something even better is that since Google is available all over the world, it doesn't really matter where you're from. The opportunity to make money using this method I will explain in this video is very available to you. Payments on this platform are made using various payment methods, including PayPal, Bitcoin, AirTM, web money, and bank transfers. Pay attention to this video and watch all the way to the end as I teach you all about the secret Google trick to quickly earn $220. I'll show you a little tip on how to get free bonus money when you sign up, and show you the way to set the ultimate Google setting. If you want to make hundreds of dollars using Google is going to this website called shrinkme.io. This is a URL shortener that will pay you up to $220 for 10,000 views. There are numerous similar sites to this one. They are categorically called URL shorteners. Basically, what this site does is convert any link you put on the platform into a shortened format and pays you money for everyone that clicks on that shortened link. You can make completely passive income from home on the comfort of your bed, since you only have to shorten the link once and promote it over and over. On shrinkme.io, you can start earning in as simple as just 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit you get, you earn money. It's just that easy. There's also a wonderful referral bonus program available on this website where you can spread the word about ShrinkMe and earn 20% of the referral earnings for life. You have full control over the administrative panel of your account and links, meaning you can edit what regions it would be available for, when it expires, and many more. The analytical data on ShrinkMe enable you to better understand the demography and geography of your audience. This is so you can understand what brings you the most income and what strategies you should adapt. There's a low minimum payout threshold of $5, which can be paid out through PayPal. However, PayPal is not the only means to cash out your earnings. Over here at the bottom, we see some of the other available methods. Since its creation, ShrinkMe has amassed over 72 million clicks worldwide, on 11 million URLs shortened by over 2 million people. And right now, I'm going to show you just how you can start benefiting like these users with a secret Google trick to quickly earn $220. Now there's one way to confirm the legitimacy of this website. Head over to this payment proof tab on the top of the website and click on it. Here, you'll see all the real-time payments they pay their users, and you can see that this happens at any point in time of the day, provided the minimum threshold of $5 is met. These users are also being paid using various payment options. If you want to sign up for a free account, simply move over to the top right-hand corner where you'll see the register button. Click on it to be brought to this page where you'd input your username, email address, password, and proceed by agreeing to their terms and conditions. Upon successfully signing up, you'll get $1 for free. These are the various payment rates that you will receive if people from different parts of the world click on your link. Greenland ranks the highest with a payment of $22 for every 1,000 views you receive. You'll earn $16 for that same amount of link clicks from Ireland, $8 from the United States, 7.5 from Belgium, 6.5 from Canada, and just so many more. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. This is where that Google trick comes in due to their global reach. The largest amount of money you can earn per 1,000 views is $22, provided individuals from Greenland click on your link. And with the help of Google, that won't be much of a problem. The first step to that secret Google trick to quickly earn $220 is, of course, to get a link to shorten. In this video, we are going to make use of YouTube videos. I'm going to show you how to find the best video on YouTube, because if you find a horrible video, you might not going to make much money. Heading over to youtube.com right now, the first tip I would give you is that aside from music videos, the very best performing videos on this streaming platform are all about weight loss. This is so because so many people want to learn how to lose weight in this world. In the search bar of YouTube, type in weight loss and hit enter. On this result page, we can already see videos with hundreds of thousands to millions of views, so we know it's a highly engaging topic. At this top left-hand corner, click on Filters and then click on This Week under the first column labeled Upload Date. This will help us find the best and highest trending videos for the week, since there's brand new fresh content every single day. Scroll through the page for any video with over 10,000 views. Let's go with his one here titled, High Protein Dinner Recipe for Weight Loss. Click on it to open it up and then copy the URL from the top bar. Now head over to shrinkme.io and paste the link right here on this tab. Once you paste the link, you'll click on this button and they'll give you a shorter URL. When you receive that, simply copy the link and save it for later. Let's now head over to Google and look for forums specifically targeted at weight loss. What you'll do is search for the term weight loss forum. The result page will return with lots of different forums where we can share the link. Usually, people who want to lose weight visit and join different forums to engage in different discussions on new tips and techniques to lose weight. This is similar to practically anything you can think of. Food forums discuss recipes, addiction forums discuss triggers and abstinence techniques, gaming forums discuss gameplays. What you're doing is giving a helping hand to these forums by pointing them to some well-performing videos online that could help their cause. Now go ahead to click on one of these forums. Let's go with this one called Health Unlocked. On this page, we see that this weight loss support forum has over 100,000 members who have made close to 60,000 posts. You can scroll through the page a bit to have a sense of the format in which these posts are made, so you can begin constructing yours to follow suit. For more information about the activities of the forums, click on the About section. Here, we see that the Weight Loss Support Forum is a friendly group determined to lose weight, healthily and permanently. All roads to weight loss are explored in this community. This gives an avenue for your YouTube shortened link videos to be explored as well. In order to begin making posts with your shortened link, you would need to register for the forum. Do that by filling in your email address and password. Now you can head back to Google and on this same search result, click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to open up the Google Quick Settings. Select See All Settings. You would be brought to this page where you can scroll to the bottom and adjust the region settings of your search. Remember that the highest paying platform on shrinkme.io was Greenland, so let's target weight loss forums from the country of Greenland alone to be able to earn the most money out of our links. Select Show More to drop down a list of all the countries in the world. Search and select Greenland from the list and hit Save. Once again, make a selection from the available forums here, register and begin posting your links to make some free money.